Hey everyone, let's talk about food. It makes us happy, right? And one dish that always brings a smile is butter chicken. It's creamy, a little sweet, and oh so yummy. This video is all about butter chicken, its story, and how to make it at home, even if you're new to cooking. So grab your aprons, let's get cooking. Every great dish has a story. Butter chicken comes from Delhi, India, back in the 1950s. A clever cook named Kundan Lal Gujral had some leftover tandoori chicken. He cooked it in a creamy tomato sauce with butter, and bam! Butter chicken was born. What makes butter chicken so good? It's all about the ingredients. Tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, and spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. And of course, butter. These simple ingredients come together to make something amazing. The secret to butter chicken is the creamy sauce. We roast the tomatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic until they're soft and a little smoky. Then we blend them into a smooth paste. We cook this paste with butter, cream, and spices. The chicken, usually cooked in a special oven called a tandoor, can be grilled or pan-fried at home. Then it goes into the yummy sauce, and there you have it, delicious butter chicken.